Hi y'all, so today I'm gonna haul everything that I just got from Hobby Lobby for Christmas. And we literally just got this tree. I haven't even finished fluffing it out yet. It's a fake pre-lit tree with like flocking and sparkles. Literally just put it up, but I'm running out of daylight. Don't have time to fluff it anymore. I'm gonna show you all the ornaments and Christmas decor and all the fun, funky stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. First, I got baubles. Of course, I got the circle Christmas ornaments. My color scheme is going to be mostly silver and blue, and like a navy blue, but I'm also going to put in pops of red here and there. I got the like normal ornament size. These are a set of 50. Yeah, set of 50. I got these beautiful multi-pack of silver. There's like a matte silver, shiny silver, and sparkle. And then I got basically the same, but matte white, sparkle white. It has this sparkly blue, a matte blue, and then like the mirrored blue. I love the variety of that. So then I basically got the like slightly larger version of this. Like it's the same colorway. There you go, you can see. It's the same colorway, just like slightly bigger. You see that? You saw me like peeking over. So I got it in the blue, and then I didn't grab a silver one of these like medium-sized baubles. I got the all white with clear. So this is a clear sparkle, a white sparkle, two of the like matte white, and then a clear. That is so pretty. I just love the way it reflects. It's so pretty. And then I saw these, which is the same blue. I got two of the same thing, which is that same blue shade and some silver and white, just to mix up the pattern and the shape of the ornaments. I got two of those. I only got two of these because I like the classic circle. I just like to have a few of these in there to break it up a little bit. These also come in like a huge size, like the size of a volleyball almost, and I'm gonna go back and get those too. So I'm gonna get all of these sizes again, and I'm gonna get the big size that are like this big in all those same colors: white, silver, light gray, the blues. I'm doing it. I'm going back to Hobby Lobby. So I got 6 of each. Really pretty pearl white ones. Oh my goodness. These are just a really good filler for any tree, whether you get a fake one or a real one. And then I got this nice blue. It's like the same kind of type of blue, but like a navy blue, but a little bit darker than the ornaments I have. It is so hard to find blue stuff. It really is. Your options are really limited, but I just love blue for Christmas, especially like a dark blue. But anyway, so then I got this. This is the only thing that I didn't get for the tree. This is for the little coffee corner. I like to just kind of set this out on the, I just kind of like to set this out on the shelf, or like kind of like wrapped around my coffee maker. Really cute. I have something of the same style, but with like green, and it has a lemon at the end for spring, because during the spring, my whole coffee corner is like lemonade stand themed. So I thought that was perfect when I saw it to switch everything up for Christmas. Didn't get anything else for my coffee stand. I also have to go back for stuff for that, but the coffee stand isn't even fully like put up yet, so I didn't want to get a bunch of stuff for it if I don't even know it's gonna fit, you know? So the other things I got for the tree are actually garlands for like, I guess the garlands are technically for trees too, but most people put them like on their TV stands or like behind their kitchen sink. I got this, I got 2 of these for the tree. I thought these big fluffy balls would be a really nice filler. And then of course the silver matches, but it's also so cool to have Christmas bells. It actually makes noise when you touch it, you know? So I got 2 of those. And then I got only one of this because it's kind of big. This other garland, I love like the natural rope vibe, and it has all these silver iridescent stars on it, and it's huge. So I only got one. Once I put everything up, maybe I'll grab a second one if they still have it there. How beautiful is that? So mostly stuff is for the tree. The only other thing that I got, I showed y'all in my fall haul, I got a couple things for my kitchen, some bows. So I got ribbon to go with the bows, like a felt red ribbon to go with those bows from Walmart. And then I had this cute little tray that I actually got from Hobby Lobby like 2 years ago on the island in my kitchen that I normally have like a candle and a couple little decor items. So I had to get Christmas decor items for the tray. That's what I got in this. So I got some Christmas trees. These are the same tree, but just slightly different sizes. This is the small and the medium, and they had a really tall one. Might go back and get that. Again, I did not want to get stuff for my coffee corner first. We're gonna put up shelves, but they're not up yet. So I would have gotten more trees if that was up already and I knew how much room I had, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Lots of decorating to come. So I got these for the tray, and then, oh my gosh, I also got this wooden snowflake. They also have this in like a regular wood finish and in black, which I thought was cool. I don't have enough black yet to kind of mix it in. I thought it would look too random, but I loved the black snowflake. So if you're looking for black snowflake decor, they had this, and there's like 5 or 6 different sizes. This is the second smallest. There's one like slightly, probably like fits in my hand. And then this one, and then like bigger, 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 bigger. So you can have lots of room to play with that. If you have a mantle, you could do like all different sizes and mix with all different sizes of tree. I thought that was beautiful. So I got just one because it's just for that little tray. And then this. If y'all have seen that little tray before in some of my other videos, since it's in the kitchen, I like to use coffee mugs as candle holders. So I have a whole Miss Myers haul coming, and I will haul that for you guys as well. And there's some candles in that order, and this is gonna sit on that tray. It says Santa's Little Helper, has a little red inside. It's so beautiful and cute and just simple. I like really simple stuff like this, and I'll just set a candle right inside it. The Miss Myers candles specifically fit really nice, even in like a standard coffee cup, like coffee cups that I've gotten as gifts and stuff. The Miss Myers large candles fit perfectly in a coffee cup. So I think that's really cute for the kitchen as a candle holder.
So first I wanted to start on the tray in the kitchen. I just took all this other more springy type stuff off of it and wiped it down really, really well. And then I put the Christmas trees, the snowflake, the cute little cup. And then I also ended up putting that little dangly beaded thing on this tray as well. And I think it turned out so, so cute with that on it. After that, it was time to start on the tree. So I started with the garlands. I kind of put the bell ones like all the way at the top and then all the way at the bottom, and then I put the star one towards the middle, and I was kind of fluffing the tree out as I went, and then I started putting on the baubles and just kind of going color by color, trying to mix it up a lot. I ended up not even using a good amount of the Christmas ornaments because we ended up deciding to basically not decorate like a third of the tree because the whole back of it that's against the wall, I was like, why even bother kind of thing. So we didn't decorate that, and then I couldn't put ornaments too low because we have a 1-year-old running around. So we kind of kept them towards the middle and the top and only on the front sections that you could even see. So I thought at first I was going to have not enough. Actually, I thought I was going to have not enough of the orbs, but I ended up having like probably what would have been the correct amount, like exactly the right amount. Because I had some left over after not decorating the entire tree. And then I put in all my little stick and pokes. I do want more of the stick and pokes. I think that they make the tree looks so fun and whimsical, and it definitely needs more. But look at all that sparkle. It was so beautiful. The only orbs that I want to go back and get are the really big ones that I was talking about. I do want to mix in some of those, but other than that, the big orbs and more of these sticks, that it looks looking pretty good for my first tree, I think. And this was all of the balls that I had left over. I worked my way back to the kitchen to do these cute little ribbon designs on the cabinets. I have seen a ton of people do this. I don't know who like originally came up with this, but I've just seen so many people do this year on TikTok, and it is so cute. Like it really turned out so cute. So basically I just took this velvet ribbon and I taped it on the top like as much in the middle as I could, and I made sure it was really secure, and then I pulled it really tight because if the ribbon is a little bit loose, then when you put the bows on them, they're going to sag a little bit. If the ribbon is loose, the bow will kind of sag down. So I did kind of learn by trial and error that you want to make sure the ribbon is as taut as you can possibly get it. But then after a couple, you kind of get the hang of it. And I just used hot glue to hot glue the ribbons onto the bows. I mean, I hot glued the bows onto that velvet ribbon after I got it all taped up. So in this video, I'm really just doing the big cabinets because I thought it would pretty much look fine if I just did those, but then I decided that I need to go try to find 4 more velvet bows that are even a little bit smaller and do the 4 smaller cabinets. So the 2 that are above the fridge and the 2 above the microwave, I left completely plain, and I decided like I really just need to round it out and do those. So in maybe an upcoming video, you'll see that I put some velvet ribbon on there, and I'm going to find some small velvet bows so that all of them can match and just have the appropriate size bow that fits that specific cabinet size. That'll be all for the kitchen. So hopefully you guys like this video. It's kind of fun to switch it up and show you guys any decorations or anything that I buy, and then we can decorate together. It's really fun for me, and I hope you like this video too. And I'm not fully done. There's a few more bits and bobs that I need to get, like for the living room and finishing touches for the kitchen. So stay tuned for those. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.